Hi guys, my name is Dipti. Welcome to Glossomistic Vlogs. Today we are going to do a very special review of few of my favorite products. This is Mamaearth Onion Shampoo and Onion Conditioner for hair fall control. Alright, so this is not a sponsored video. These products I bought from my own pocket. I think I got them from Amazon. Yeah, I got them from Amazon. Before we start with this video, I'm going to give you guys a little bit quick this thing about my hair, like little info that my hair, like I chopped off my hair a few months ago, couple of months ago, and since then they have not been growing much. As you can see on the tips, there's a little bit of color as well. So this time I usually color my hair from the salon, not for the grace, just for fun. Like I have been trying all the different colors on my hair, and I think red reh gaya tha sirf, so I tried red, and this is how it looks now. So I think, I don't know whether it was that hair color or the formula that I used, and I had been having quite a bit hair fall. Of course the hair fall is still there, like it's still happening. It's not completely gone, but then I thought I'll just switch to Mamaearth Onion Shampoo and Onion Conditioner. Before that, I'd been using Vitamino from L'Oreal, the maroon colored one for damaged colored hair, and I wouldn't say I was unhappy with it. I was pretty happy with the way I'd been using it since quite a while, since the time I color my hair. My stylist had told me that that you just go ahead with this product, and yeah, I was quite happy. I'm not somebody who takes care of the hair too much, but I like oiling my hair, and so I thought when I saw that much of hair fall, like, and I was a bit worried, and then I was like, okay, we have to do something about it. So among the whatever you can say, among whatever not precaution, whatever things or whatever treatment in the sense, I didn't go to any dermat, I just did everything my own. So whatever measures I took to start taking care of my hair, this was the first one I started, while talking about the product. As you guys can see, hair looks pretty okay right now. They are just, the past few weeks my hair have been misbehaving. They just don't stay in place. And guys, quick this thing, I don't do any styling. This is what my hair looks like. I don't have a straightener, I don't have a curling wand or curling iron, nothing. And I just use live on. Okay, I do use few hair oils also. I think for about that I'll talk later. So let's just start with the video, and let's talk about the onion shampoo and the onion conditioner. So before buying the onion shampoo range of Mamaearth, I was a bit skeptical because long ago I had used onion paste, or you can say onion juice, on my skin, on my not on my skin, on my hair, and it smelled horrible. And my bathroom was smelling horrible for a while. And then I was like, I'm not somebody who will keep on applying things on hair or on skin as well. So I was too skeptical how it will smell and everything, but then I had to try this. So let's talk about the shampoo first. As you guys can see, the bottle is quite you can say a bottle is quite big, and they say that this is sulfate free, and it's one of the good products, and they say that this is dermatologically tested, paraben and SLS free, and for all hair types. So when I use this shampoo, I think from third or the fourth use, while washing hair, I could feel less hair fall. Trust me, guys, I could feel the less hair fall while washing hair, not otherwise. And while talking about the conditioner, I'm not a conditioner person, but I really like it. Has got coconut in it, and trust me, guys, when I used it for the first time, it felt as if I'm eating some coconut dessert. Like I didn't eat. You're not supposed to eat it, but while I was applying, it was like, wow, this is some, this is like a very thick cream and dessert sort of thing. And yeah, this after applying it for a couple of times, 3 to 4 times, I think I could feel the change. Hair is still not at their best, you can still see a little bit of frizzier, but definitely the hair fall has reduced a bit. Of course, I have made few changes in my lifestyle also. I have started with proper diet and I've started taking supplements. I'm going to make a proper video on hair care routine for falling hair or otherwise also after a few days or after a few weeks, where I can actually feel some toast change in my hair, and then I can actually give you guys some advice. So let's talk about these two products. The combination of this actually worked for my hair. Unlike other hair shampoos or hair conditioners claiming to be helping in hair fall, this actually did a job for me. It might not, for because I had read some reviews where people said it didn't work for them, but for me, what I can see that it really worked for me. I am pretty happy that I bought this. But then yes, you can say this, it didn't start its work on the very first wash. I've been using it since quite a while. I wash my hair once in a week, and in case if I venture out quite many times, I usually tend to wash my hair. But I've made a point that I'm not going to just shampoo them. I'm going to conditioner my hair with every wash. Third or the fourth time I did a little bit of deep conditioning, and I think since then I started feeling a little bit of shine on my hair. They are not as smooth as they used to be. I think this is not for the smoothing one. For that, maybe I'll have to start with their hair mask as well. So what I can say that if you're having any hair fall issue, I think this is a good product to start with. I'm not going to say it creates magic. Of course, there are n number of factors that add to your health of your hair. But then I think this is a good product to try, and I'm sure you'll get benefit out of it. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to I've ordered their hair oil and their hair mask, onion hair mask. I'm not too keen on using the oil and hair mask, to be very honest, because I'm happy with this. But I wanted to use the products and give you guys the review about it. Again, disclaimer: this is not a sponsored review. This is very honest review that I've actually felt on my hair. I'll try to link a picture of me before I started using this. See, as you guys can see, hair is not at the best right now, but then they were really bad few weeks ago before I started using this. So this is slowly and steadily, doing their job. I'm telling, I think I won't switch to any other hair shampoo or conditioner after this. I'm going to stick to this, or if they come up with something better, then but I'm gonna stick to Mamaearth hair shampoos and conditioners, especially conditioners, because conditioner is so awesome. First, this is the fifth or sixth day after the wash. I didn't wash my hair for 5 or 6 days, but still it feels like they're quite in place, and the shine is still there. Like usually this part used to look like jhadu. Trust me guys, jhadu. Yeah. But yeah, again, I'm not saying that everybody should use it, but this was my honest review about it, that Mamaearth onion range of hair fall shampoos and conditioner are the best shampoos I have used or worked with till now, and they have done a wonderful job for my hair. I think that's it for now, guys. Please get your hands on these products if you want to. I'm going to link down the details in the description box. And that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and hope you all are taking care of yourself. Thank you and have a good day.